Hi, how's it going? Welcome to GlassScape Media Productions. My name is George. I'm the engineer that's going to be taking you through most of this stuff. From audio production to video production, building computers, old and new, and beyond. Pretty much anything that we find interesting we're going to try to cover here in this channel. It's going to be mostly audio and video production, but we're still going to go over a lot of other things. I've also got a new setup, a new facility, a lot of new equipment, and a lot of stuff that I still need to edit. I know it's been quite a while since I've got into anything, but now I'm going to take this opportunity and try to cover as much stuff as we can. I want to thank you for stopping by and sticking with us. I don't really feel comfortable asking people to just like and subscribe. I think people can do that on their own. If you find this interesting, then do it. If you want to hear more from us, then do it. But I do want to thank you for stopping by, and if you're curious as to what else we might be doing, stop by whenever you can. GlassScape Media Productions. We'll see you soon.